Why does a physician need to know about medical professional liability insurance? Because your choices may affect the success and protection of your future private practice. Here at Mutual Insurance Company of Arizona, MICA, we specialize in medical professional liability insurance. Welcome to our medical professional liability insurance training.
What is medical professional liability insurance?
Medical professional liability insurance protects you against loss from lawsuits that allege medical malpractice for direct patient care and vicarious liability for the acts of others.
Why do I need medical professional liability insurance?
It's not required by law in most states, but it is required for hospital privileges, employment, and payer contracts, along with protecting yourself, your assets, and your reputation.
What are the types of medical professional liability insurance?
There are two types of medical professional liability policies: occurrence and claims made. An occurrence policy provides coverage for incidents that happen during the policy period, regardless of when the claim is reported, and after it is canceled, as long as the policy was active when the incident took place. Therefore, tail coverage is not needed. A claims-made policy provides coverage for claims that are reported during the active policy period, and each year you renew your policy. With a claims-made policy, you can move coverage from one claims-made carrier to another if prior acts coverage is offered. The new insurance carrier would take the effective date of the old policy and endorse it onto a new policy, which would become the retroactive date. The new policy would then provide coverage for the same period of time as the old policy. If you cancel a claims-made policy, you will no longer have coverage for incidents that do not get reported during the time your policy was in force, unless you purchase tail coverage. Tail coverage gives you protection for claims that occurred during the time your policy was in force, but reported after your insurance policy ends.
How are insurance premiums calculated?
Insurance premiums are based on actuarial loss data. They are reviewed and filed with the Department of Insurance annually. Premium rates differ by state and sometimes by county. Specialty, procedures performed, policy type, and coverage limits are also factored into the rate. Occurrence policies have a level premium and claims-made policies are step-rated. The step rating gives you cost savings in the earlier years when starting a new practice, and increases each year as the number of patients and exposure grows. Most claims-made policies mature at year 4 or 5 where the premium levels.
What else do we need to know?
Pay attention to the details of your policy and coverage whether you are joining a group or starting your own practice. In both scenarios, you will want to make sure you include all details on your application and report any changes to ensure you have proper coverage. If you are purchasing your own individual policy and you have a solo corporation or LLC, make sure it is added to the policy. If you're joining a group, make sure you understand your employment contract. Ask what type of policy they provide. Who is paying for the insurance? If it can move with you if you switch employers? And if it's claims made, who is responsible for paying tail coverage? Lastly, keep records of your insurance documents so you can easily access them in the event of a claim and for any other future needs. Thank you for viewing our presentation today. If you have additional questions about choosing a medical malpractice insurance company, or about the many ways MICA helps physicians protect themselves and their practice, contact us toll-free at 800-681-1840 or visit our website www.mica-insurance.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.